Right now, millions of people are interacting with their banks, sending money, applying for loans, checking investments. But here's the part most people don't know. At Crédit Agricole, France's largest bank by customers, it isn't just humans making decisions anymore. It's algorithms. Powerful, invisible systems deciding who gets a loan, which transaction looks suspicious, and even how to manage your savings. And Crédit Agricole isn't alone. The banking world has quietly become one of the biggest laboratories for artificial intelligence. Let's start where most people notice it first: customer service. At Crédit Agricole, a virtual assistant named Eco works day and night, answering client questions instantly. No waiting on hold, no frustrated sighs. Eco frees up human advisors to handle complex personal issues, while AI takes care of the repetitive stuff. Think about it. Would you rather explain your issue to a chatbot at 2 a.m. or wait until the bank opens in the morning? Comment below. AI chatbot or human banker. Then there's lending. Traditionally, applying for a loan meant piles of paperwork, weeks of waiting, and often uncertainty. Now, algorithms can scan thousands of data points in seconds. Credit scoring powered by AI means faster decisions, more accurate risk predictions, and, if the data is clean, fairer access to loans. But here's the catch. If the data contains bias, the AI may quietly reinforce it. We'll come back to that. Fraud used to be a cat and mouse game. Now, it's a race fought in milliseconds. AI systems at Crédit Agricole scan transactions in real time. Imagine you swipe your card in Paris, then 1 minute later, someone tries to use the same card in New York. The AI spots it instantly and blocks it before you even know what happened. In banking, speed is survival, and AI has become the watchtower. AI doesn't just protect, it also advises. Robo-advisors at Crédit Agricole create personalized investment plans, balancing risk and opportunity, tailored to your age, income, and goals. Instead of a banker flipping through charts, you get a system that crunches global market data 24/7. It's like Netflix recommendations, except instead of suggesting a comedy movie, it suggests how to invest your retirement fund. But 2022 brought a new leap: generative AI. If traditional AI analyzes, generative AI creates. At Crédit Agricole, these systems draft financial reports, summarize market movements, and even generate personalized emails to clients. Imagine your bank writing to you in a way that feels handcrafted, because AI has studied your preferences, history, and needs. And it's not just for customers. Employees use AI assistants to write professional emails, conduct research, and generate documentation. This isn't about replacing bankers, it's about amplifying them. The AI handles the paperwork, humans handle the people. Of course, Crédit Agricole isn't operating in isolation. Every major bank is racing to harness AI. BNP Paribas created Nickel, a fully digital banking solution. Société Générale acquired fintech Trésor to push AI-powered financial services. BPCE built 89C3, a full innovation hub for emerging tech. It's not just about being modern, it's about survival. In finance, if you're not first, you're obsolete. But every breakthrough hides a shadow. AI decisions are only as fair as the data they learn from. If certain groups historically had less access to credit, the AI may reinforce that bias, denying loans unfairly. And then there's transparency. Many AI systems operate like black boxes. Even bank employees sometimes can't explain why the system denied a loan or flagged a customer. Would you be comfortable with an invisible algorithm deciding your financial future? Imagine this. You're denied a mortgage. You ask why. And the answer is simply, the algorithm decided. No further explanation. That's why regulators are stepping in. In 2023, the European Union passed the AI Act, classifying banking AI as high risk. That means strict rules. Algorithms must be explainable, robust, and supervised by humans. Banks like Crédit Agricole must create ethics committees, audit models, and constantly test AI for fairness and transparency. The age of move fast and break things is over. Now it's move carefully or pay the price. So, where does this leave us? On one hand, AI makes banking faster, cheaper, and more accessible. On the other, it risks turning human judgment into algorithmic commands. The truth is, banking is no longer just about people and money. It's about algorithms and trust. And your financial future may depend on how well humans and machines learn to share control. Here's the twist. AI isn't just helping banks. It's becoming the bank. Picture this: an AI that manages your savings, approves your mortgage, invests your salary, and prevents fraud, all without a single human touch. That's not science fiction. That's the direction we're heading. So here's the question. Would you trust an AI with your life savings?